we have a full-sized ice skating rink presented by MRHD located next to the lodge. Bring your own skates or rent them right here at the park. We rent a full range of sizes so everyone can hit the ice.
Great skating place.
Yeah.
Even if it's above freezing, our ice stays frozen thanks to a custom refrigeration system. A full-sized Zamboni keeps the ice smooth and ready to skate. Just like the hill, it doesn't have to be daytime to enjoy some skating fun. Our rink is fully lit for nighttime skating, so come on down, the ice is calling. Ready to take a break? The outdoor Grupp family fire pit and patio has a perfect view of both the hill and the skating rink. Sit by the fire and watch the fun around you while sipping on a warm drink and a snack. Cone Park was designed with your enjoyment in mind.